More news coming in. The Prime Minister is in fact in Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh. He is at the holy shrine and Maha Samadhi of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. These are images coming in from the temple and at the Samadhi. Let's take a listen.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
Minister is attending Satya Sai Baba's centenary celebrations in Puttaparthi. I'm going to go straight across to Apurva for more details on that story at this point in time. An important visit by the Prime Minister. He himself has tweeted about it, saying how he looks forward to being a part of these celebrations, celebrating the birth centenary of Sri Satya Sai Baba. Take us to the details of the Prime Minister's itinerary today.
Well, Sneha, it's going to be a jam-packed schedule here, but not only in Andhra Pradesh, but Prime Minister also scheduled to go to Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu after this holy shrine visit here. In fact, in Puttaparthi today, he is going to be attending the centenary celebrations of Puttaparthi Sai Baba as well. As you can see from those visuals, the Prime Minister has landed in Satyasai, as well in Puttaparthi over there in Anantapur district, and we are getting to learn that the Prime Minister will not only be participating in the Maha Aarti and the Puja that will be taking place there ahead of the centenary celebrations. That is a week-long celebration that will take place here in Puttaparthi, but not. He will also be releasing a set of commemorative stamps as well as coins, that will be released ahead of the centenary celebrations. In fact, our Prime Minister had also taken to platform X, wherein he shared a couple of personal photographs of him having had a darshan with the Puttaparthi Sai Baba himself, saying that he is extremely delighted to be coming back for the centenary celebrations that will be taking place in a week-long celebrations. In fact, the Prime Minister has been welcomed in a grand manner by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu, as well as the India Alliance there, who has received him. He will be addressing a gathering post the commemorative release of the stamps as well as the coins there as well. Not only that, it's going to be a jam-packed schedule for the Prime Minister here in Puttaparthi. He will also be addressing the gathering post releasing of the commemorative stamps and coins as well. This is an auspicious day and week here in Anantapur and Puttaparthi as well, owing to the centenary celebrations. And as a part of the celebrations, Prime Minister Modi has decided that he will join in the celebrations that take place along this week for Puttaparthi Sai Baba's centenary celebrations.
That's right. Also I understand there's an outreach to the farmers that's going to be made today along with the Chief Minister. What more details do you have with you on that, Apurva?
Well, we are getting to learn that not only is, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Nara Chandrababu Naidu, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi going to be, partaking in the Maha Aarti and the Puja that will be taking place here. It is also scheduled that they are going to be having an interaction with the farmers as well on, the talks that will be going on. Remember, these are long pending talks that have been, taking place in the Prime Minister and the team had wanted to go ahead and schedule these talks as well with the farmers of Andhra Pradesh. There have been long-standing, arrangements that have been made for this conversation on the diaspora to take place. So after this Maha Aarti and the Puja that will be performed in a short while from now, where the Prime Minister Modi will be going ahead and partaking in these celebrations, post the Maha Aarti, the Prime Minister will be meeting with these dignitaries, the farmers here as well, and we will be, having a short conversation with them, listening to either their grievances or if there is anything that they want to put forward to the Prime Minister as well. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu and the NDA leaders here in Andhra Pradesh have welcomed the Prime Minister, and in just a short while from now, they will be reaching to Puttaparthi, where they will go ahead and partake in the centenary celebrations, which has been, arranged in a very grand manner. Over 2 lakh devotees are expected just today and tomorrow in the vicinity of the Sai Baba, premises there as a schedule as well. In fact, special trains have also been announced by the Southern Railway commemorating this centenary celebrations for all week long, just so that devotees from near and far can be able to arrive here and partake excuse me, partake in the centenary celebrations that will be going ahead starting today.
Right,
Not only
in fact.
Prime Minister Modi, Sneha, in fact, we're also expecting that other VVIPs, including the President and other Chief Ministers from across states, will also be partaking in the celebrations all week long as they come here and visit and partake in the Maha Aarti and celebrations that will be taking place.
Right, this is also an indication of, the Prime Minister's spiritual endorsement. And he's spoken about this in the past as well. This is very significant from that point of view as well, isn't it, Apurva?
Well, definitely, Prime Minister Modi has, in fact, like I mentioned, he has taken to platform X and he has gone ahead and also shared some personal photographs there wherein he had earlier darshan as well with the Puttaparthi Sai Baba. Not only that, he has gone ahead and stated that this is going to be not only a pleasant, get together there, but partaking in the centenary celebration definitely will be a joyous moment and an occasion that he gets to relive, is what the Prime Minister has gone on and stated in platform X as well. In fact, speaking on the life of Puttaparthi Sai Baba, Mr. Modi has stated that Sai Baba's life and efforts for social service and spiritual upliftment will serve as a guiding light for generations. Over the years, I have had a few opportunities to converse with him and learn from him, is what Mr. Modi has gone ahead and stated on the platform X, sharing some personal photos of his meeting over the years as well. In fact, we've also seen how the Prime Minister has been time and again sharing about his visit here to Puttaparthi and how he hopes that it is going to be as joyous and as spiritual one as he's had earlier on as well. And this visit also, let me remind you, holds a lot of importance because this happens to be the centenary year celebrations that will be taking place here in Puttaparthi. Place here in Anantapur district in Puttaparthi. We are also seeing that not only Mr. Modi but other several VVIPs are also expected to arrive here at Puttaparthi and have a darshan here as the centenary celebrations go along throughout this year and this week as well. Especially Mr. Modi will be partaking, he will be going there and to the shrine, and he will be going ahead and having a puja as well that will be done in the honor of the Puttaparthi Sai Baba. Not only that, he will also partake in the Maha Aarti that will be taking place in a short while from now. Over thousands and
Be with
thousands.
us. I'll just come back to you in a moment from now.